So did you ever have anybody look at you and say, so how long do you think you can continue to do this? Do what? DJ, how long do you think you could actually continue to do this? Shouldn't you think you'd be thinking about an exit plan? Or shouldn't you be thinking about retirement? I mean, really, how much longer do you think you can do this? Hi, I'm Bill. This is Creative License, my little YouTube video podcast show. Thanks for being a part of it and all the 200 and I don't remember how many shows that we have so far. Be sure to check out some of my sponsors, and when you do, tell them I told you about them. Sponsors like Electro Voice and DJ Event Planner, Promo Only, DJ NTV, and of course my workshop, The Entertainment Experience. So that's a really weird question. How long do you think you can do this? Well, pretty much forever, I suppose. I mean, think about it. It's not the most physically demanding job in the world. If you get older and you don't want to haul equipment anymore, there are people that will do it for you. You can pay young people, strong people, to move things around for you. If you can't stand anymore, you can sit. If you can't walk, you can roll. If your mind is still there and you can use a computer, you can still DJ. In fact, what got me thinking about this is because it was Fatboy Slim. Fatboy Slim, I read a quote that he said. It says, "This is a job for life. DJs are not footballers or pop stars. We don't have a shelf life based on our age." You ever seen Fatboy Slim? He's older than I am. And as you can tell, I'm 114 years old. So, and I'm not quitting anytime soon. I mean, why would you? Unless you start to hate this job. Maybe that's the thing they're talking about. Maybe the shelf life that people are worried about is the fact that we're going to get to a place where we don't like our job. Well, that's another conversation, isn't it? If you don't like doing this anymore, then I guess my question is, why are you still doing it? Is it just for the money? I don't know about you, but every job I've ever done that I had to do just for the money, I did not like at all. I am doing this for something else. And as long as people will allow me to. Now, I may not be good anymore at some point if I stop practicing, if I think that I've got everything, if I'm the best there ever is and I can't get any better. Yeah, I mean, more than likely, people are going to pass me up. Hell, people probably have passed me up now. But what I still do have is a love for learning and a passion for the thing that I do and the people I do it for. So, how long do you expect to keep doing this anyway? Well, as long as I still like it. As long as I can still stand or sit or roll. As long as people will pay me to bring my skills, talent, love for my craft and my clients, then why would I quit? Why would you quit? That's the better question. Not how long I'm going to keep going, but how long are you going to keep going and why? Because if you don't have a why anymore, then that's a better reason to quit, right? It's not because you're physically not able to do a thing anymore. It's because you just don't care. And love and hate are not two opposite things, okay? The opposite of love is indifference, okay? And if you just don't care anymore, that's indifference. Why would you keep doing it? That's not you though, right? If it is, we can talk about finding those passions again, if in fact that's something you want to do. But it first comes down to, do you want it? And do you want those passions back? If you find or think to yourself, I think I might have lost those things, you probably haven't. You're probably just looking at life a little differently. It's one of the things that I help with people with all the time. You reach out to me. I'll do what I can do for you. Thanks for asking the question. Thanks for watching this little show. If you want to know more about my workshop, that's a great way to find your passion again. Reach out to me. The Entertainment Experience Workshop is happening November 15th, 16th, and 17th. All right. Thanks for being a part of the show, and I'll see you next week. Bye.